You become slaves just because you decided to be Christians. Did you decide to be a Christian? African spirituality is the recognition of the fact that the African was not created as an inferior human being. In fact, the African was the first person to have set foot on this planet they call Earth. Why is it that we have abandoned the plain truth and we are following falsehood? African spirituality will guide us on our journey to know ourselves. As we were in the beginning, our ancestors did. So that is what African spirituality will teach you. Know thyself. We are living in a society where things which are ours, we no longer respect them. We respect things which are brought from outside. We have reggae, like Bob Marley says, we have reggae back into slavery. And Pope Nicholas V issued a paper bull that was a decree telling all Christians that perpetually enslave people who are not Christians. Why? You sure? The decree which made your ancestors and other slaves was issued by Pope Nicholas V. And he gave authorization to the Portuguese to go and arrest and enslave people.
Because they are not Christians.
Yes, they claimed they were not Christians. And you dance around here and call yourself Christians. And the brutalization of the black race, the oppression, suppression, and stealing of the knowledge system of black people were promoted by the so-called Christians. You got where we have reached? China, India, Japan, and all these people are not Christians. Why? And they are developing. And we are Christians. Coincidentally, we have a leader who says that he is going to build a cathedral. Meanwhile, we have so many churches there. You look into Accra, you study the population of so-called Christians, and you will see that Ghana, we are very, very developed in stupidity. We are going backwards. Every time you will have a painting of the devil, what color? Black. Every time you will have a painting of the angel, is white. And they continue teaching you that, and you continue accepting that one. Are you not enslaving your mind, your children, your children's children? What is wrong with the African?
Papa, please, so are you saying that we've become slaves just because we decided to be Christians?